Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2006 E350 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 268 horsepower. For wheels we've got 16-inch alloys. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back. E350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, opening up the door, we've got a nice wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls, dual climate controls, our media display, heated seats, automatic transmission. This E350 has 99,822 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350, check out feldmanimports.com.